What's up guys, today I'm going to give you 5 tips if you're planning on shooting out of a helicopter. Funny story, a couple of weekends ago, one of my buddies, Brandon, phoned me up and he's like, dude, what are we shooting this weekend? And I said to him, yes, wouldn't it be epic if we could go on a helicopter ride and get some shots like that? And we were like, fuck yeah. So we hit up some of our friends at Helivate in Krugersdorp, Johannesburg, and they said, yeah, you guys can, we wanted to pull in for a sunset session, and they said, yeah, we can come tomorrow if we want to, and that was the next day, was a Sunday. And so we went. So first off, you want to take a wide angle lens. On a crop sensor, that'll be something like a 10 to 18 millimeters, and on a full frame, something like 16 to 35, to get those nice open landscape shots. Also, if you want to get those shots where you sit in the chopper and you can get all the dials in front of you with your view or landscape behind it, trust me, you will need it. Secondly, you want to shoot with fast shutter speeds. I got really good shots at about around 500, but anything from 500 up to 1000, you have to take into consideration there is some shake in the chopper because of the rotors and things moving, and you don't want to get home shooting off a whole flippin' 500 photos and they are blurry. Think of it like this. If you get home one late night, your wife might forgive you. But coming home to blurry images, it's not going to be forgiving. 3. And number 3, should you be flying with the chopper doors off, just remember that in some countries it is mandatory for you to have your camera strap connected to the camera, for the obvious reason, should that camera fly out the chopper and hit one of the rotors, like our pilot said when we strapped the GoPro to the chopper, if that thing comes off and into the rotors, we will know about it. The same thing applies for lens hoods. Rather leave your lens hood back in the bag unless you are flying with the doors on, then you are just dandy. The same rules apply. The best time of day to shoot is the sunrise or sunsets. So try and plan your trips accordingly. Also, don't forget that the rule of thirds also still applies. It's easy to get excited when you're up there looking at the beautiful views and you get distracted and you just take a whole bunch of images and your composition is out. So just pay attention to that. But most of all, don't forget to take about 10 or 15 minutes and just enjoy the flight. Put your camera down and enjoy the moment. It's very easy just to sit behind the lens and take photos and not really take in what's actually happening and the beautiful views and the opportunity you've gotten to be in the helicopter. So just enjoy it, basically. And that brings us to the end of this vlog or tip session, if you want to call it that. I've got some exciting videos coming up. Been quiet at the moment. Luckily still staying safe away from the corona. It's winter here in South Africa, that's why I've got my jacket on. If you live in Johannesburg and you want to go on a photography helicopter mission, I'll link Helivate's details in the description below. You can contact them, they're awesome, they will accommodate you with whatever time you want to fly. And if you do go, enjoy it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.